What if I told you this anime scene started with nothing more than a text prompt? No drawing tablet, no animation software, and no switching between multiple AI tools. Everything from designing the character to editing it and turning it into an animated video was created inside one platform called PixAI. Today I'm putting it to the test to see if it can really handle the entire anime creation workflow. Let's jump in. Creating AI anime art is easy. Creating a character that stays consistent from image to animation, that's much harder. Most AI generators struggle once you start editing or animating your artwork. PixAI aims to solve that by combining image generation, AI editing, and image to video inside one platform. In this video, I'll create an original anime character with Subaki 2, improve it using Edit Pro, and finally animate it with v4.0 preview. Let's get started. The first thing I'm doing is selecting Subaki 2, PixAI's newest anime image model. Unlike general AI image generators, this model is designed specifically for anime, helping it produce expressive characters with clean details and high-quality illustrations. Before generating anything, I'm enabling Prompt Helper. Instead of writing long, complicated prompts, I can simply describe my idea, and Prompt Helper automatically expands it into something much more detailed. Next, I'll choose one of PixAI's built-in anime-style presets and generate 4 images at once using Batch X4. This makes it easy to compare different poses and compositions before choosing the strongest result. Once I find my favorite image, I'll regenerate it using Quality Ultra for the highest level of detail. Let's generate it. The results look great. The lighting is clean, the facial proportions feel natural, and the clothing details are surprisingly sharp. If I wanted another variation, I could simply remix the prompt, switch style presets, or browse the PixAI community for inspiration. I'll save this version because we're going to use it throughout the rest of the workflow. Now, let's see how well PixAI handles editing. One common problem with AI artwork is that making even a small change can completely alter the character. PixAI Edit Pro is designed to keep the original character consistent while making changes that you request. I'll upload the image we just created, paste it in the editing prompt from the guide, set the output to 2K, and generate the new version. The results are impressive. The outfit and background have changed, but the hairstyle, face, and overall identity of the character remain the same. That's a huge advantage if you're creating comics, games, or original characters that need to stay consistent. I also tested its ability to generate a magazine-style layout with text. While AI-generated text isn't perfect yet, the results are surprisingly readable and fit naturally into the overall design. Now, let's bring this character to life. I'll open PixAI's image to video feature and select v4.0 preview. Instead of generating a completely new scene, it uses our existing artwork as the reference, allowing the animation to preserve the same character while adding natural movement. I'll use the recommended settings, paste in the animation prompt, and render the full 15-second animation. Let's see the result. This is definitely the highlight of the workflow. What started as a single illustration now has smooth camera movement, subtle facial expressions, and a much more cinematic feel. Comparing the image and the animation side by side, it's clear that the character remains consistent throughout the entire process. PixAI also includes built-in voice generation, making it easy to create short anime scenes or character introductions without leaving the platform. With support for videos up to 15 seconds, it's ideal for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or combining multiple scenes together into a larger project. After testing the complete workflow, I think PixAI's biggest strength is how everything works together. We created an anime character using Subaki 2, refined it with Edit Pro, and then animated it using v4.0 preview, all inside the same platform. The character remained consistent from beginning to end, which is one of the biggest challenges in AI-generated artwork. If you're creating anime art, original characters, comics, or animated social media content, PixAI offers a smooth, all-in-one workflow that's easy to use whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator. If you'd like to try it for yourself, check out the link in the description below. PixAI also offers 10,000 free daily credits, so you can explore many of its features before upgrading. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know which AI tool you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.